Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to enable or disable the check spelling function in Microsoft Office. So, I type some words. Here the words name and friend are written incorrectly. If you want those red lines to disappear, you can just ignore them one by one. In case, if you don't want spell checking at all, then go to File, Options, Proofing, and here uncheck the checkbox. Press OK. Now it doesn't check anything, like no grammar. If you want to change Office desktop language or Windows keyboard language, check out my other videos. I hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!